Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Metromile to download monthly mileage statement easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Metromile website URL. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on sign in to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on get started to create one. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Complete any additional registration steps if prompted. Once signed in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Mileage Statement or Reports. Click on the download button associated with the monthly mileage statement. Choose the month for which you want to download the statement. Select your preferred file format for the download. Once your selection is made, click the download button again. Wait for the file to download to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to view your monthly mileage statement. Review your statement for accuracy and necessary details. Now you have successfully downloaded your monthly mileage statement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.